Hey Cancer, Trishna here. Welcome to your December 2018 reading. What I feel for you in December is kind of an extension of the reading from November. And basically what I feel is whatever sadness that you were dealing with in November, I feel like it's pretty much gone. You guys are feeling so much better. You guys are moving forward and you guys are ready to rock and roll. Okay, so no, okay. You guys are feeling better, but you're not feeling that much better. You're probably like, yeah, I feel good, but not that good, Trishna. Like, and that's okay. You guys are already on the right track. Like, I feel like you guys are doing better than you were before. Whatever sadness, you're starting to detach from it. And you may not be feeling at your best just yet, but December is going to take care of all of that for you because with the holidays, you're just going to be around family, you're going to be around friends, you're going to be around just people in general, you're going to be around that holiday spirit. And it is just going to pull you in and it's going to make you happy and excite you and it's going to distract you from whatever feelings you were having in November. And it's just going to be really, really good, really powerful. It's exactly what you need. So let yourself be distracted. In terms of the guidance that I get for you, I feel like if you are still really holding on to the sadness that you're feeling in November, and that sadness was really stemmed from you wanting something and being attached to it coming in a certain way, and just feel some feelings of like lingering kind of underlying sadness that surrounded that. And if this reading resonates with you, like this December one, go ahead and watch November one because I'm not explaining it in all full detail. It's better explained in that video. But if you guys were dealing with that and you're still kind of dealing with that, then go back to that video and follow the suggestions there, which is really to understand that you're gonna get what you want. It's gonna be yours. You just kind of have to let that trust come in and that knowledge come in and just let those thoughts of I know I'm gonna get it just kind of percolate in your brain and start to take hold and take root into your subconscious. But if you guys are feeling better, there's really nothing for you to do other than to enjoy your December because again, you're still going to get exactly what you want. You guys have been very, very patient. You're in that mode. You're starting to become detached from needing that outcome to play out in the way that you wanted. You guys are probably even feeling detached from needing that outcome to play out at all, which is the perfect place that you need to be in. And when you combine that with enjoying the holidays, like you guys are just making your reality even better than it could ever have been imagined in your mind, and it's going to play out. You guys are being patient. Just continue to do that because it is coming for you. So that's really the only guidance that I get is if you guys are feeling good, just keep doing what you're doing. If you're not feeling good, go watch the November video and do that. So I hope you guys have a wonderful December. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, and to share. And I will see you guys in my next video.